You know what it is. Everything I do it big. Now we're about to test out the roller today. I can't wait. I'm pretty fucking stoked. So yeah, let's fucking get it. Trophies. How's this fucking roller, yeah? I might as well show this thing off before I fuck them all up. For the shaft is still brand new. Some of the leftovers. That's some fat fuck though. Oh, that must have been a fun fight, huh? It's our problem-free philosophy. Murky water killer. Hey, can you save me some fish today?
Yes, sir.
Please. I'll catch something to make like I know what I'm doing. So we're about to jump in. Let's see if we can catch some fish.
Every day and every night, every night. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know.
Okay, so at this point, I already made like a couple test shots with this gun, and I watch this shot real quick. Watch this. Oh, it's like a laser, I swear. So like right now, I'm having so much fun. It's the gun is going good. My rubbers ain't ripping. Everything's holding up, and I'm actually shooting fish. It's pretty accurate. Actually, it's really accurate. There's a lot of range on it, and the recoil, man. There's like barely any recoil, so it kind of feels like the gun is weak, but then you can like feel the shaft tugging at the end of the line, and like you could see like a lot of these shots, the shaft goes right through the fish, so it has range, it has power, but you can't really feel the recoil. And man, I don't know, it's just super fun, man. So if you watch my last video, you've seen how I turned how I built the roller gun. So like right now, I'm just like, this is my first time actually testing it out, and I don't regret it at all. It's a lot of fun, man. You guys gotta try it for real. Okay, so pretty much I'm just targeting Opelocalas. They're a little easier to catch. So I'm just trying to like dial in my gun. Look at that. Got him. I'm trying to dial it in, you know what I mean? I'm trying different ranges. And I like shooting Opelocalas. They're easier to shoot, and there's a lot of them. They swim mid-water, so I don't have to drop all the way down, you know what I mean? So it's pretty fun. And I like how they taste. Like a lot of people, they don't really eat Opelocala. A lot of people don't like how they taste, but like if you know how to make it, you deep fry it, you know what I mean? Add some chili pepper water, bro, that fucker is killer. So I don't mind shooting these guys. I like eating them, and it's just fun for like target practice. You don't really have to hide and kill your lungs or anything. It's a lot of fun. How's my cousin? This fucker caught 2 conches. Lucky bastard. I wanted one so bad. And then he goes and finds 2. This bastard. This like he found like 4. This is like his 4th one already. I had one, but my bag ripped, and I didn't get to bring it to shore. I'm all sick. But I'm definitely gonna find. Anyway, that's enough of that. Let's get back to the music, baby.
Every day and every night we'll be together, yeah. With the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter, yeah. Oh yeah. Of my single bed. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love that I'm feeling?
Yeah, boys. Yeah, brought a pot.
Forget my maninis, yeah, bro.
Oh, right here.
My fucking maninis, bro. Thanks,
Fucking Rob went in on the reds. Let me see it up Appealville. Yee.
Forget the birth certificate, no mind.
No, fuck this good size. I just shot fucking pillow collars and knives. Target practice.
Oh, you was sniping those fuckers, bro.
Oh, it was so killer.
Bro, you was sniping those
Seen that fucker, bro?
No, all I see is a shot fly and I hear doom. That's how you know you got something. If you hear ping,
Yeah.
you hitting reef, but
Yeah.
I hear doom. I was like, bro, I know this guy shot that fucker.
Bro, I was having a fucking blast out there.
Bro,
And on chum like 3 of these fuckers. I 3 more. But they're not a brother going out there. Yee! Get him, boy! Huh?
you was popping them, dog.
Bro, it was so fun. And then some of the bigger ones, they was kind of just started to slip the shaft a bit. And turn my gun over.
Ooh.
Tighten up the bottom pre-tension. And I was in there. They couldn't slip that. As soon as you pull the trigger, the thing is so fast, dog. Fuck is cherry.
From that way, I seen the bronze, dog.
I see the bronze.
Going that way.
Busted, brother.
Bronze, don't.
He said rods, fishing rods.
No, I said bronze.
Oh, tough. Oh, it's going on YouTube, you know, my brother.
You better take that shit off, dog.
Venture.
Dog, you better cut it, dog.
You need to cut it. Yeah, nice sesh. Today was just target practice for me. Just testing out my gun, my roller. So now that I know the thing is accurate, I gotta start bringing them on some better dives. But regardless, I still gonna eat these fish. This is the shit I used to catch when I first started diving. I never eat this fuckers in so long. They're not the best tasting fish, but it'll do. Oh, tell
See
them.
that? Silver, baby.
Tell them.
Silver like the up heels, bruh.
Silverback.
Silverback gorilla, dog. You see the lining? Yes, sir.
Oh, he's happy. Chaplalas. What's up? Getit Boyz over here.
He never told me your secret. He told me his secrets already. Hey. Trying to get me comfortable. Oh, I mean, you got me not get comfortable. What? Bang?
What bang?
What's side over?
To yourself, bro. Before I came over here, he's like hot dog, smooth shades. Nah, no way, bro. Smooth tank top. Nah, no way, smooth shorts. Nah, no way, smooth your tattoos, bro. So smooth.
Oh, for real though, honestly, no one said that.
Nah, smooth though. Nah, who did you?
Ready for the truck, boys.
Oh shit, you better have a new one. This guy always trying to make us. Hey, listen to this twice already. This is twice. He made us chug when this guy was halfway and we just went to open some bottles. But
Bro,
me,
shit.
I'm not a bitch. I ain't gonna complain. So let's chug.
Wow, who's fault is it? You guys take forever for drink.
Bro, we are one ahead of you.
Alright, let him just
Yeah, you're right.
Cool.
This is
That's his way of hinting to you. Let me just. Bro, he's looking at you, though. He's like, dog, just let him.
no, honestly.
Bring up
like,
memories,
literally,
bro, just.
Just like
still there, bro.
Nah, we kinda tried it there though. We gotta go.
Oh, bro. See, like
Okay.
he's trying to intimidate to over there within the door.
See what I-
I just had to do it for the guy. Yeah, no. Let's go.
See what I said?
Love you, little fucker.
I gotta come on the
Honestly,
side
what
because
do
the
you
fucking.
mean?
For real though, get this on film, okay? Anthony Pettis is about to get that ass beat tomorrow, baby.
Tell him. Yeah. Nate about to whoop that fool.
The west side.
Can you not put the
I know,
camera?
the west side.
West. Okay, that's it.
He's a west side boy.
Okay. Now let me, the real one, intervene on this. Pettis might get what most likely is. But I'm telling you, dog, I have a feeling, dog. If Pettis goes to a game plan, giving him the leg kicks, going to the body, he can win this.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Bro, this
That's what they're gonna do tomorrow to Pettis, light him up.
Light him up, baby.
Tell him. If Pettis goes to a game plan, that's all I'm saying. Hey,
this fucking
Diaz
dumb
is a better
holy
fighter.
nerd. Oh, you fucking leaper. Oh no. Yeah, he see me. He's like, fuck that, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Oh, 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 he's skipping, dog. You seen that? Wow, so you know they're not stuck, they're just chilling. Oh, fucking waves coming in, brother. Chilling in the pond. It's the spot right there. Fucking love this beach, man. Fuck it is, huh? So I go wash my bowls later tonight.
We don't want to hide, Antonio. So we do, we drink with the turtles, okay?
Tell them.
Fucking little squish out here. That one cloud right there to yourself.
See if you can see the green.
Yeah, it's going way slower than usual. Yeah, honestly, I didn't even see them out. That one is like bad.
So they're blocking it outside.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying.
Y'all niggas ain't hood rich if you ain't fucking up a check. I'm not pushing this back.
Oh, no ever say that in your life. Hey, if you do it, you have to do it right there. You go. Don't write that.
You're a female.
Damn it!
Bruh, girl's not allowed to say that word.
We had to run up the sex. This woman drives time to heal fit.
Hey.
Stay fed.
Hey, hey. What's that the Chihu challenge?
I'm gonna be like, hey, Michael.
That's just a warm-up. That's just a big one, though. Nah, that was a big one, though. What is it? 5 o'clock in the morning, Rooster. I know, Rooster. Right now. Like
I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they planned on my when I die, put my money in a grave. I really got niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in my face. I'm really with the chat, realest nigga on my face.
Lil CC, let it slap with the bears. With a mask and a cape.